Hi everyone, my name is Avneet. I read in grade 7. I am from Santoor International Public School. Today I am going to make muscular train salad recipe without fire. So let's begin. For making muscular train recipe, we should need of cucumber, capsicum, salt, green chili, chopped carrots, chopped onions, sauce, tomato, mayonnaise, some biscuits, tomato chopped, lime juice. Let's start our recipe. First, take chopped cucumber, chopped capsicum, chopped tomatoes, chopped carrot, chopped onions, salt as per your taste, green chili. So mix them. Now add lime juice, biscuits and dip it to the milk. Place it adjacent to the first biscuit in upright portion. Our train is ready now. That mixture we ready. Place into the boxes. For decoration, take some sauce and place to the train. Our beautiful train is ready.